Hi candidates, class 8. I welcome you for today's science lesson. Today we are going to have a look on how to answer questions. Candidates, I want you to listen carefully when you are given questions on how you are supposed to go until you get the correct answer. For instance, number 1, which one of the following is true about trabia, frog, and the snake? They have which one of the following is true? The keyword there is true about trabia, frog, and the snake. They have candidates. For you to get the correct question, there are some more points you should have on your fingertips. For instance, number 1, external fertilization is found in amphibians and fish only. Point number 2, mammals, birds, and reptiles have internal fertilization. Point number 3, amphibians do not have scales and they have moist air. Point number 4, reptiles breathe through lungs and not gills. Last point, fish, reptiles, and amphibians are all cold-blooded. Their body temperature vary with that of the environment or surrounding. So, the correct answer for number 1 is choice C, changing body temperature. Number 2, which one of the following animals have mammary glands but flies? What are some of the points you should have on your fingertips? 1, bat is flying mammal. Fish lay eggs. Mammals give birth to young ones. A shark is not a mammal, it is an example of fish. Mammals have mammary glands for sucking their young ones. So, few candidates, the correct answer is B. That is bat. Number 3, which pair of characteristics is common to crocodiles, newts, dove, and spine ant eater? The points you should have on your fingertips are common characteristics is that which is found in all the 4 animals. The 4 animals, this is the crocodile, the newt, dove, and the spine ant eater. Another point, they all lay eggs and breathe by means of lungs. So that one brings us to the choice as choice A. Question 4. Which one of the following animals is the odd one out? Solution or points you should have in your fingertips. A tick has 2 body parts and 8 legs. Other invertebrates with the 2 body parts and 8 legs include scorpion, mite, spider. Weevils is an insect. Weevil is an insect. So the correct answer is A. Which one of the following animals is odd one out? It is weevil A. Number 5. Both the animals with moist skin and those covered with feathers. I repeat, both the animals with moist skin and those covered with feathers. Candidates, what are some of the points which you should have in your fingertips for you to be able to answer this question correctly? 1. Moist skin is found in amphibians. 2. Feathers are found in birds. 3. Frogs have no scales. They also have varying body temperature. 4. Chicken mainly feed on seeds. 5. Chicken and frogs both breathe through the lungs. Back to the question. Both the animals with moist skin and those covered with the feathers. The correct answer is D. Use lungs to breathe. That is, chicken and the frogs both breathe through their lungs. Question 6. Commercial feeds have specific nutrients but lack dash. Commercial feeds have specific nutrients but there is something which they lack. Points which you must have in your fingertips. Commercial feeds for the animals are usually bought from shops. 2. They are usually in powder form. 3. They usually lack water and ravage, which is also known as fiber. So, commercial feeds have specific nutrients but lack water. Number 7. Animals feed on desmodium to obtain dash. Points. Leguminous pasture provides proteins to the animals. They include cloves, desmodium, alfalfa, lucerne, and glycerin. Back to the question. Animals feed on desmodium to obtain. I've said leguminous pastures provide protein for the animals. They include the cloves. Examples of animals that have protein, we have the cloves, desmodium, alfalfa, lucerne, and glycerin. Candidates, so the correct answer is proteins. That one brings us to number 8. Which of the following pairs of animals breathe by lungs and are externally fertilized? Points you should have in your fingertips for you to get the correct answer. Shark and tilapia are fish. Point number 2. Fish does not breathe through lungs but through gills. Point number 3. Platypus is an egg-laying mammal. Point number 4. Mammals do not have varying body temperature. Point number 5. Their body temperature is ever constant. Last point is 6. External fertilization is found in amphibians and fish. Back to the question. Which of the following pairs of animals breathe by lungs and are externally fertilized? The answer should be salamander and newt. That is choice C. Question 9. The following are the methods of rotational grazing, except all of them they are methods of zero grazing. Which one is not? What are some of the points which you should have on your fingertips? Rotational methods of grazing include buddocking, strip grazing, and tethering. Herding and stall feeding are not rotational methods. The question: the following are the methods of rotational grazing, except by having the points I've said, that one will give you the answer as zero grazing. It is not rotational. The animal is confined in a stall, in a house. Lastly, number 10. A standard 5 pupils grouped some small animals. Which of the following animals can be grouped together with mites? Candidates, what are some of the points that you should have on your fingertip for you to get a correct answer? Here, the examiner is trying or is testing on insects and invertebrates with 8 legs. Insects have 6 legs and 3 body parts. Example of insects are ants, moths, mosquitoes, weevils, beetles, grasshoppers, etc., etc., etc. Another point: invertebrates with 8 legs include ticks, mites, spiders, and scorpions. Back to the question. A standard 5 pupils grouped some small animals. Which of the following animals can be grouped together with mites? Candidates, that is very simple. The answer is scorpion, tick, and spider. That is what I had prepared for this lesson. Candidates, I wish you a nice day. I wish you Eid Mubarak. I wish you every bit of success in whatever you are doing. Until our next lesson, when we are going to have science lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.